Drawing from the futuristic aesthetic and the rugged, kitted-out design shown in your images, the 2027 Honda X-ADV is shaping up to be more than just a crossover. It is evolving into a premium two-wheeled SUV that bridges the gap between urban sophistication and long-distance touring. The images you provided, showcasing the striking glacial blue paintwork and the full three-box luggage system, suggest a shift toward a more mature and travel-ready identity. This new iteration continues to utilize Honda's commitment to sustainable manufacturing, incorporating Durabio bio-based plastics into its fairings, a detail that is becoming a hallmark of Honda's premium adventure line. Industry rumors and desas for the 2027 model cycle point toward a significant technological leap. While the current 745cc parallel twin engine remains a powerhouse of efficiency, there is growing speculation that Honda might refine the power plant to meet even stricter global emission standards, potentially nudging the displacement closer to 800cc to maintain its punchy 58 horsepower. Furthermore, the most exciting rumors involve the integration of adaptive cornering lights within that aggressive LED front cowl and the possibility of a hybrid assist system integrated into the dual-clutch transmission, which would provide an electric torque boost during low-speed maneuvers. In terms of features, the 2027 model is expected to standardize many of the premium options seen in your photos. This includes a more refined 6-speed DCT that offers smoother engagement at low speeds, making city filtering and tight U-turns less jerky. The rider cockpit is also seeing an upgrade, with a high-resolution 5-inch TFT display that features improved sunlight readability and full Honda RoadSync integration for seamless navigation and media control. For the long-distance traveler, the seat has been redesigned with increased urethane foam for better all-day comfort, and electronic cruise control is now expected to be a standard feature across all trims. Regarding the technical specifications and core updates, the 2027 model maintains its robust foundation while sharpening its edge. The engine remains a liquid-cooled 4-stroke 8-valve SOHC parallel 2-cylinder, producing approximately 58.6 horsepower at 6,750 RPM and 79 newton-meters of torque at 4,750 RPM. It retains its versatile 13.2-liter fuel capacity and a curb weight of around 237 kilograms. To summarize the key changes in a more descriptive sense, the sustainability efforts now cover more surface area of the bike. The smart tech has been upgraded with standard cruise control and better connectivity. The DCT transmission has been tuned for more natural, human-like shifting. The display is now more intuitive for gloved use, and the ergonomics have been softened for better touring capability.